So moving on to the next part, there is an array, how we can declare an array and show the value from the array. Array is very basic and important structure while you're going to the databases. When you're going to the databases, you have a strong concept of arrays. So I'm just removing this part. Let's suppose one variable, what one variable do? Let's suppose I have a variable and it contain only one value at a time. The basic thing is that one variable can contain one value at a time. But I'm just going to make a collection of values and assign to this variable. Let's suppose I can say that, hey, I have a variable which is named as a and it is assigned to this bracket. This bracket means this is a collection. So I want to put a value like this away, separated by comma. So now this only contains the value of one single value, but this is a collection of value. It doesn't mean that I am putting an integer value, so there will be an integer value without decimal point. We can put a text value as well. We can put a email like value, text value, and we can also put a floating value, and we can also put any other value. So there is no restriction for the array to keep this single value type. It can contain all multiple type of value. So now the basic concept, if I echo this a, so it will show me 1, right? But if I echo this a, so it will not show me 1. It will give me an error. So let's see the error cause. So I'm just refreshing that. I just get the value of 1, but there is an error, array to string conversion. Echo is only used for printing string value. String mean a single value, we can say that. So a has a single value, so it is printed out. But when we have array, so it is unable to print that value. Right? So what we will do? We can say that each element is indexed. Indexed mean location. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean to say, if we have 6 values, so the last index will be 5. How? The first value started from 0 index, the second value started from 1 index, then other 2, 3 and 4. I mean to say, if we have 5 values, so the last index will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 value. Total length will be counted as 6, but the last index will be 5 because it started from the 0. So we are also considering the 0. So 0, if I put here in this bracket 0, so it means that I'm just associating this value with that. If I'm putting this like away, so I'm associating this value. So when I refresh this page, so you can see 1 and Moise. 1 is the first one output and the Moise is the second indexed output, 0 and 1. So I'm just removing this first A. So now we have focused on this collection. So it will make you easy that not to declare 6 variable. You can add multiple values as per your requirement, and you can also decline the value as per your requirement. Right? So the next part, if there is 6 index, so how you can write it? Echo A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, 6. This is very hectic process. Remember that in the previous exercise we have done the 1, 2, 3, 4 counting. So why not we can put a loop here? Loop for I starts from 0 because my array is index starting from 0. So that's why I'm putting 0. Otherwise I can do 1, 7, 5, whatever the initialization is. So semicolon is here and I less than, I don't know what this is length. What is the length, Usama? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the length is 6. So if I write here 6, so it means 6 will not included. 6 will not included because I'm just referring to less than 6, so it means that it will be only 5 until 5 and I plus plus. So if I writing here 1 but I'm replacing this with I, so what does it mean? First of all, the I value will be 0. It means it will refer A0, so A0 is here. Okay, so next time the I value will be 1, so it will refer this I1. Okay, so the next time 2, 3, 4 and 5. So until when it reach to 6, so it will break the loop. Okay. If I also put a HR here, so you can see easily all the values I can see in this way, right? So do not amaze that why the one is at the end, because I just explained you earlier that I have a extension here that is referring this integer value to. Let me just put a Moise here. So first value always give me the last value because of a browser fault. If I run it into the maybe edge, so it will give you the another one. So I'm just pausing this or stopping this video, and I will explain further more in the next video.